If you want to learn how to trade small accounts, how you can build accounts, how you can scalp, then this video is meant for you. This video is meant for you. So in today's video, I've always been posting about CRT candle. So if you want to learn full details about CRT candle, then this video is meant for you. In trading CRT candle, I've always told you that your bias is very important when it comes to trading CRT candle. It is very important, and this is one of the things I'm going to be showing you in this video. So sit back, hold your tight, and feel free to ask your question in the comment section. Right now, in trading CRT candle, the first thing you need to put into consideration is your draw on liquidity. Your draw on liquidity is very important. You can see in this particular video, in this particular trade, you can see I've chosen my draw on liquidity, and I've chosen my CRT candle. So this is my CRT candle high. This is my CRT candle high. Let me show you my CRT candle. So this is my this is my CRT candle. This particular 1 hour candle is my is my CRT candle, and you can see I've measured the range of it. So my draw on liquidity for short time draw on liquidity, we have two type of draw on liquidity. We have short time draw on liquidity, we have long time draw on liquidity. So whichever one you want to put into consideration, you need to consider the two. So my short time draw on liquidity is this midpoint of this CRT candle. You can see that this particular candle closes inside back this range of this CRT candle. That was why I choose that candle as my CRT. And the purging of the candle, if you look at it very well, is happening at a key time. It's happening at a key time. This is a live account. You can see this is a live account. So it's a live account. So it's a live account. So you can see the purging of the candle. This RC candle happened at a key level time. And what is the time of this? Let's look at it. Let me use my crosshair to determine to show you the CRT candle. Now look at my CRT candle. So if you look at down below my you can see that is 16 o'clock. So 16 o'clock, that is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the reef time is going to be 5 o'clock in the reef in Nigerian time, in my time. So that is 5 o'clock CRT candle. So on 4 hours time frame is going to be my it's going to be my so it's going to be my So if you look at very well on in my trading, I have my so 4 o'clock in New York time is going to be It's going to be it's going to be 12 a.m. CRT candle, and 12 a.m. CRT candle is my is my New York. That is my that is my London close time. That is my London close time. So this particular CRT candle is my is my London close candle, and the purging happened at the close of London close. So that makes it a valid CRT candle. So that makes it a valid CRT candle. So you can see, let me enlighten it very well. So that makes it a valid CRT candle. So that makes it a valid CRT candle, because it has met up with the criteria for CRT candle. It has met up with the criteria for CRT candle, so it makes it a valid CRT candle. So that is my so that makes it a valid CRT candle. So since I've determined my draw on liquidity, so I already know that at least 50% of this CRT candle, they should fill it out. So that is why I have my I've measured the range of it already. So I have that so on 4 hours time frame now, to validate this CRT candle now on 4 hours time frame, if you look at very well from our daily time frame, you can see that they've purged a key area. They've purged a key area, and the key area that they purged is this last week high here. This last week high here. So this is the high. So they purged this. So they've traded above it. So with the way this candle currently closed today, will determine. So it's possible we'll have we'll still have a sell on volatility 2075 tomorrow. So because they've purged a meaningful CRT, a meaningful level. So this is so it makes it a key level. So this is a key level already. They've purged it already, and they purged it at a key time. Time over what? Time over everything. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. So since I've established my draw on liquidity and on my 4 hours time frame, you can see that they poured this level, they poured this high, this is our last peak high. They've already poured it at a key time, at a key time. So this makes this a valid a key level. So it makes it a key level, because when we talk about CRT candle, we will skip the fact of talking about a key level. Key level is very, very important in my in determining your CRT candle. I've highlighted the criteria you need to draw out on CRT candle. If you are here to watch the video, I'm going to drop in a video that talks about CRT candle. So if you are trading CRT candle, CRT is the masterpiece. CRT is the masterpiece, irrespective of your balance, irrespective of your capital. Once you align your analysis with price, and don't forget, now this is 7:40 my time. 7:40 my time. I'm moving close to my PM session, my silver bullet PM session, my New York silver bullet PM session. So that is another one. That is another key time. So in order to understand this thing, so this is how I blend everything. Now my bread and butter strategy, if I'm bringing this in this now, I'm going to be telling you that we've moved from an external liquidity down to an internal liquidity, and you've seen that this is an external liquidity. So you can see the reason why I'm putting my take profit there. So this is an external liquidity. We've rated the external liquidity already. So from external liquidity down to internal liquidity, this is an order block. So I've put my take profit at this internal liquidity, which is order block. So if you measure this range from this range high to this range low for this 4 hours time frame, is going to be giving you the midpoint of this range. So that is how I determine my CRT candle, and that is how I played a very crucial role in trading. So timing is all you need in trading. You can see we are moving already. So that is how you trade the CRT candle. You don't need to be fair. Once you align your analysis to meet up with that time version of it. So if you want to know about my CRT candle, my CRT strategy, I have a mentorship class on it. I have a mentorship class on bread and butter, whichever one you want to use. Everything is still talking about time and price. Everything is still talking about time and price. So that is how I blend my time with my price action. I don't need to waste my time. So as a matter of fact, you can see we are moving already. So irrespective of what the price is telling you, you already know where your price action is. So and this trade now, I might be closing it earlier. Why? Because the trading time that I trade, the normal official trading time, we are close to it already. Look at my time. This is 2:42 a.m. So ideally by 5 p.m. Eastern time, we are meant to stop trading. So I might be closing that trade, but whichever way around, I'll be breaking profit, because I know after that 5 p.m. Eastern time, market will enter consolidation or manipulation level, and you never can tell how deep a manipulation level can be. If I can tell how deep a manipulation level can be. So that is how you trade your with time. Time over everything. So time over everything. So you can see a very clean setup. You don't need to waste your time, as a matter of fact. So that is how trading works. So if there's anything you want to know about my mentorship or my signal group, do well to it I'm going to drop in a link on the description of this video, and so you can click on the link, whether my mentorship or my signal group. I have my signal group too. So I have my signal group too, and we're doing fine for this month already. Let me show you my signal group. So I have my signal group. So this is for the month of July. So you can see how far we've gone. So I don't just give them signal. I still give them my bias. I gave them my descriptive bias. If they were detailed, so it is an added advantage for them that they pay for signal, and also I still analyze. I showed them the real picture of everything step by step, and my trading is based on time. You can see the time. There's one thing you should know as a profitable trader: everything is systemized, everything is documented. So everything the same pattern. Have a pattern that you trade, but don't just have any pattern. Have a profitable pattern. that you trade. If you look at the time I'm giving them the signal, watch the time already. So you can see this is 7:55, the day I'm giving them signal. So you can see another day I'm giving them what, 7:51. So what the consistency in what, in the time. So trading is what, is time. Time over everything. Time over everything. Look at this, another one, 8:50. So I have my time. So I don't just give them signal anyhow. I give them signal, high profitable signal that everybody will what, everybody will be in what, in trading. So that is how I want. That is how you trade. So a good risk management is there. Look at what. So if I'm trading, look at the time I'm giving them the signal. I give them the signal now, 6:23 p.m. and in what, as at 7:28. Look at the time I'm also doing this video, 7:44. So look at the consistency in trading. So trading is the what, is time. Once you mastered it, there is nothing you want to do about it. So that is how you what, you run your trading. So you can see I'm at equilibrium of this level already, and we are what, we are in day profit already. And so that is how you what, you do your trading. Trading is fun. Trading is what, trading is fun. As a matter of fact, you don't need to stress yourself, right? You don't need to stress yourself, right? You don't need to stress yourself. Trading is what, trading is fun. Just know your salt and bread, know your salt and butter, your salt and maggi, as a matter of fact. So if you have any question that you want to ask, you can drop it in this comment section. I'm going to what, respond to it. And if you want to know about my mentorship, you see the link in the what, in the description of this video. So as a CRT trader, your first take profit is going to be 50% of that range. So at this area, we can expect a what, a reversal at this area, right? I can expect a reversal at this area. But meanwhile, while we have a reversal, we also have this what, this key level. This is an old high here. This is an old high here. So this might be a what, a turning point for the market here. So the real turning point might be this what, this breaker block that we have here. This breaker block that we have here. So that might be the what, the turning point for this particular what, trade to what, to go back. So I'm going to be managing my trade, closing some position, and let others what, others run, right? And let others run. So by 8 o'clock, I'm going to be entering my what, in less than 14 minutes. I'll be in 13 minutes time, I'll be entering my what, my silver bullet, my New York silver bullet time. And that is also, that shows you that what, we have two options for silver bullet. Silver bullet can be a continuation. So that is telling you that what, they might actually come down and hit this breaker block, this breaker block, sorry. And then from this breaker block, we can what, from this breaker block, we can have a reversal, and what, will continue uptrend, right? We continue the what, the uptrend. So if you have any question, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube, please do it to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new comment. Until the next time I'm going to be crossing your word, crossing your path, I still remain your humble self. Trade with Modupetemi. Trading should be what? Trade smart and what? And win big.